Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make protein powder at home for weight loss. Start by choosing lean, high-protein ingredients like whey concentrate or pea protein, oats for texture, and dried milk for creaminess. Use a spice or cocoa for flavor without adding sugar. Measure portions carefully and test batch textures, then store in an airtight container for easy, portioned shakes throughout the week. Select a protein base that fits your dietary needs and goals, like whey for fast absorption or pea for plant-based nutrition. Balance texture with rolled oats, powdered milk, or ground nuts to add body and sustained energy. For sweetness, consider stevia or a small amount of monk fruit instead of sugar. Always measure servings with a scoop and label macronutrients so you can track protein, carbs, and calories easily. Use a high-speed blender or food processor to pulverize ingredients into a fine, consistent powder. Sift the mixture through a mesh strainer to catch any coarse pieces and reprocess as needed. Portion into single-serve scoops or meal packets so you control calories and convenience. Keep containers sealed and away from humidity to prevent clumping and preserve flavor. Refrigerated storage helps if you include nut flours or powdered milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.